We'll guide you through how to change voice in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many video editors want to change or improve the pitch of their audio in Premiere Pro, but do not know how to use the pitch shifter effect. Beginners especially need guidance. It helps them enhance audio quality, create unique sound effects, and make their projects more professional and engaging. First, open up your Premiere Pro on your desktop to begin the editing process. Once the application is ready, open your project from the available project list or file menu. After your project is open, import your audio file by using the import option or dragging the file into the project panel. Next, insert the audio you have already imported into the timeline so it becomes part of your sequence. Make sure the audio is placed correctly on the track before continuing. After that, look for the effect menu, which is usually located on one of the panels in the workspace. Once you find it, extend the audio effects section and then find the time and pitch category. After locating it, extend that section and look for the pitch shifter effect. For a faster method, you can type pitch shifter into the search bar within the effects panel. Once you find the effect, click and drag it directly onto the audio clip in the timeline to apply it. Now, move your attention to the Effect Controls menu, which will show the applied effects for the selected clip. In the pitch shifter section, press the Edit button to open the Detailed Settings panel. Inside this panel, select the High Precision option to ensure better audio quality during the pitch adjustment process. Make sure the settings are using appropriate default values before making any changes. From here, you can customize the pitch settings according to your needs or choose from available presets if you prefer a quicker adjustment. Take your time to listen and fine-tune the effect until you achieve the desired result. Once you are done adjusting the pitch, close the panel to return to the main workspace. Finally, save your project by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard to ensure all your changes are saved and properly stored. Regularly saving your work will help prevent data loss and keep your project safe while editing.